माय चैनल सौरभ IAS लेक्चर। मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, फॉलो करें, फॉलो के साथ साथ शेयर भी करें। माय चैनल सौरभ IAS लेक्चर। आज का क्लास है इंडियन पॉलिटी। आई एम लक्ष्मीकांत। स्टार्टेड योर क्लासेस ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंटेशन पीपल एक्ट चैप्टर। स्टार्टेड योर क्लासेस। Section 20B, observer. Section 20B, observer. Observer is the IAS officer, is the secretary rank of the observer of the state, all state government to election commission to nominate to secretary rank IAS officer observer. The election commission of my nominate an observer who shall be an officer nominated by election commission of the IAS officer rank of the observer. Government to watch the conduct of election commission. Government to watch the conduct of election. Election in a constituency, group of constituency. Election in a constituency, group constituency. The observer shall have the power to direct the returning officer for the constituency for any of the constituency which has been nominated to stop counting voting. Power of observer, returning officer counting stop is the directly power of the returning officer order is the counting of voting stop. Declaration of the result or not declare the result in case malpractice. Malpractice is the observer power. These and section 20B observer power is the these are election commission of the nominate of the observer, secretary rank of the IAS officer. Section 26 presiding officer for polling station. It shall be general duty of the presiding officer. It shall be general duty of the presiding officer polling station to keep order thereat and see that poll fairly taken. It shall be the duty of polling officer. It shall be duty is the polling officer. Section 26 presiding officer for polling station. Polling station assist the presiding officer. Polling assistant, these are presiding officers. Such station in the performance these function. These are section 26 presiding officer for polling station. These are polling officer. These are presiding officer station, polling station assistant. This performance is the presiding officer. (28A) returning officer, presiding officer, etc. demanded to be deputation to election commission of India. Returning officer, presiding officer, deputation to election commission India of the power 28 act. Returning officer, assistant returning officer, presiding officer, polling officer, any other officer appointed and police officer designated time beginning by the state government for conduct on election shall be demanded to be deputation to election commission for the period commencing from date to date notification. These are assistant election commission power of the deputation. Ending with data declaration of the result of such, according such officer shall during that period be subject. During period be subject. Control superintendence, discipline of the election commission. Discipline the election commission. Election Commission is the main power of the Election Commission. All officer discipline. All officer is the discipline. All officer guidance of the Election Commission of the man of the power. 28 a returning officer. These are key point of the Election Commission of the deputation, presiding officer, returning officer. These are Election Commission of power. Model Code of Conduct. Model Code of Conduct. Origin Assembly, Election of Kerala 1960 was formally issued 1970 by the election. Issued in the 1974 by Election Commission. Definition: it is a set guideline laid down by the Election Commission govern the conduct of political parties and candidates in the run up to an election. Issued by 1974 by Election Commission to govern the political parties and candidate in up to an election. Provide a level playing field for all parties to keep the campaigning fair and healthily, avoid clashes and conflict between parties, ensure peace and order. Provide level playing field for all political parties to keep the campaign. These are Model Code of Conduct. Model Code of Conduct. These are key point. 1 point definition. Purpose. These are mention of the Model Code of Conduct. These are Model Code of Conduct. Provision under MCC. Part 1 deal with general process of good behavior expected from candidate in political parties. Provision under MCC. Part 2-3 focus on public meeting in procession. Part 4-5 describe how the political parties candidates should conduct themselves on the day of polling and the polling booth. These are provision under MCC. Process of good expected from candidate. Part 2-3 focus public meeting in procession. Part 4-5 describe which political parties candidates should conduct. These are provision under MCC is the mention of the key point of the part 1, part 2-3 focus, part 4-5. These are mentioned provision under MCC part of the keyboard. Provision under MCC. Provision under MCC part 6 talk about authority appointed by the EC. Provision under MCC authority appointed by the Election Commission to receive complaint and violation of MCC. Part 7 talk about the political party in the power. Part 8 state that manifesto should be in pursuant to the direction of the Supreme Court. Part 8 state manifesto direction of the Supreme Court of the manifesto decision. Talk about the authority appointed by Election Commission receive complaint and violation of the MCC. Provision under MCC. MCC power of the receive complaint and violation of the MCC. Part 7 talk about the political party in the power. Part 8 state the manifesto should be direction of the Supreme Court. Manifesto of the direction Supreme Court. These are mentioned provision under MCC. These are provision under MCC. These are provision. 1 provision part 6, part 7, part 8. These are 3. Is the provision keyboard. These are mentioned. legal estate model code. Legal estate model code. The MCC is not enforceable by law. Yes. However, certain provision of the MCC might be enforced through invoking corresponding provision in the state, such a Indian Penal Code 8060, Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Representation of People Act 1951. These are MCC not enforceable by law. These are MP MLA Code, Criminal Procedure 1973, Representation of People Act 1951. These are violation of the power of this act is the use of the Criminal Procedure, Indian Penal Code, Representation of People Act. These are mentioned legal status of model code. These are mention of the power of the FIR. These are power is the Election Commission of India, Election Commission of State. These are power is the Representation People Act, Criminal Procedure of the Code 1973. These are power of the legal status of the model code. These are mention of the keyboard. These are good day, bye bye. Is the tomorrow class discuss.